Friends, today I want us to talk about the need for one another. There is an Akan proverb which says, when a person descends from heaven, he or she descends into a human community. In other words, every human being is born into a human community. One African philosopher by the name of Kwame Gyekye has this to say: the person who descends into a human community cannot live in isolation, for he is naturally oriented toward other persons and must live in relationship with them, unquote. Growing up in Africa, I learned a lot about the value of community. Neighbors were friendly and helpful because there were no walls around the houses. And for that, socializing was so easy and simple. Children learned how to form long-lasting friendships. The open interactions in the neighborhood taught us how to interact with people who were different from us. And that is how most of us learned to appreciate the values of the human community, despite its countless problems that come with it. Today's society can do better by tearing down barriers of separation. The Bible's teaching on love is a call to mend human relationships. Love, devotion to humanity, is service to God. 1 John chapter 4, verse 20 says, whoever claims to love God yet hates a brother or sister is a liar. For whoever does not love their brother and sister whom they have seen cannot love God whom they have not seen. We need a strong relational network that can save us from some of these social ills. Simple gestures like good morning, hello, how are you, a smile, or a warm welcome can save our relationships. More importantly, we need people, and don't forget, people need us too. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord help you to mend whatever relationship that is broken around you. And may the Lord help you to enjoy such a sweet fellowship with the divine community of the Trinity. God bless you.